And in the first episode of TravelDog in Tenerife, we make a late arrival at our hotel Landmar Playa La Arena with its gigantic reception hall. But we are so late, there is no supper, so we have to gallop off down the road to Burger Passion, which may not be all we expected it to be. Then there's a quick room tour of this gorgeous hotel in Los Gigantes. So enjoy this first episode of TravelDog in Tenerife.
TravelDog here in the Reefy D. We have just arrived in Tenerife. We're here with Tui. Tui have told us to wait by this vending machine for the minibus that is going to come here and whisk us off to our hotel. We're still waiting by the vending machine, and it is a bit boring, in all honesty. Is there anybody else here waiting with us at all? There's a small piece of Oreo on my seat. In the vending machine, there's a few different things inside it. Queso cheese and biscuits, a Choco Bomb, these Ruffles, and Lay's. About to get on the coach, but there doesn't seem to be enough room for everybody to get onto it. We're off to the minibus, everybody. Luckily, we've got into it. This is our first glimpse of Tenerife. Reefy D says all the posters are about Michael Jackson or not littering the ocean.
That doesn't say no litter in the ocean, does it?
Oh, what does it say? Oh, please save water and energy. Okay, so that one doesn't actually say don't litter the ocean. Right, we're out here, still waiting for the bus. The minibus has arrived. Here we are, bombing down the road. Should be there in about half an hour. Okay, here we are, we seem to be getting into the town. Okay, we made it. Landmar Playa La Arena. We are here. There's a giant Christmas tree inside, it looks pretty cool. We're going to pop inside and see if we can get some supper. Crazy cars going past me. So glass lift. I'm loving it, baby. Let's go in, guys. Let's see what happens in this crazy place. Right. Oof. Okay, where do we go? Oh wow, I like the glass lift as you say, that's pretty cool. Oh, I like the vines, that's pretty funky, man. Nice. That looks, oh man, it's really big. Goes on down there for miles. Check it out. Oh, it's got a huge roof. It's got an absolutely massive roof, man. Crazy. It's huge, isn't it? Absolutely huge. Massive, absolutely massive. Right, let's go and check in. There we go, look, as Midget says, there's like a boat coming out of the ground that looks funky. Where are these elevators? Oh, is that it? Down the end, do you think? Yeah. Okay, so we've actually got here. There's no food anywhere. He's given us a few sandwiches. We're going to go and try and find this pizza restaurant. He said that might be open. We'll bomb it down there and see if we can get pizza. A mad trip to try and get this pizza, the process of which we cannot actually get out of the all-inclusive hotel. We're trying to find somewhere, a guy said, called Pizza Taxi. So we can't work out how to get out of the hotel. He said go down to the beach where there's a pizza place. There's all these locked gates around us that we've been trying to get through. The only reason we've managed to get anywhere so far is by climbing over a wall. Here we go, everybody. Adventure has begun. Right, so we're hammering it down the street in wherever we are in Tenerife on the way to what is hopefully a burger place that says it's still open until midnight. What is it now? 11:30? Yeah, it's incredibly quiet, incredibly quiet. It is obviously December the 14th or something like that, but I don't think it'd be quite this quiet here, frankly. So we are in Burger Passion after all that. It's a crazy menu. Refugee's gone for a smashed black Angus, and I've gone for the Gourmera. I don't really know what it has in it, but he said it was the best one. Beef smoked cheese, palm honey, roasted peppers, mayo, mixed lettuce. Anyway, it sounds pretty cool. But I think we found something that's open. Cool, place is cool. Really like it. Looks funky. Looks nice. Looks nice in here, doesn't it? I like it. Quite nicely. Burger Passion. Looks cool. Whole place looks cool from it. Nice. I like the logo. Burger Passion. Cool. So relieved to find this place, frankly. Kind of cool table here, with all the menu on the table, which is kind of funky. Okay, so here it is from, what was it called? I've already forgotten.
Burger Passion.
Burger Passion.
Chip.
Ooh, chip. Steve Chip.
Good taste.
Burger Passion from Chip.
Oil has a nice kind of taste. However, they could be more crispy.
They could be crispier.
But I like them. I feel like they're only so soggy though, because it takes so long to eat.
Yeah, soft and floppy. Because we had to walk back from the place to the hotel.
It tastes like the type of burger sauce we make at home.
Oh, really?
It's clearly like ketchup, mayo, and mustard. It has a gherkin flavour. Almost like there's gherkin juice in it.
Oh,
It's really good though.
it might have gherkin juice in it. It's really nice.
No, despite the fact that the chips aren't crispy, I really like them.
Yeah, really. I think they're quite nice.
Burger?
Look at that.
What was it? Those
That looks really decent. Oh man, look at that baby.
gherkins,
That is
cheese,
good, man.
lost barbecue sauce, I think. 2 patties.
And they took a while cooking it, so they really did cook it.
It's quite chewy, but it's good.
Interesting description.
I don't know if it's rather chewy for a burger. Like the flavour's really good. The cheese is nice. It has a really good flavour, like a smoky, barbecue flavour.
Oh, really?
And the meat does as well. It's just weirdly chewy.
Finally going to get into my burger. Oh, look at that beastie, man. Look at that. This is what you suggest you have, like, absolutely full of like things like peppers and all sorts of crazy stuff. Let me have a little bite. Wild, smoky flavour.
Yours has like a million things in it, doesn't it? How's the piece of meat itself? Is yours soft?
It's soft, but it's kind of quite raw. If it's freshly chopped, it's fine. Otherwise, it really is quite raw.
Actually, mine was nothing like that.
Mine is quite raw. Possibly. That is too raw.
Mine was smash.
Yours is a smash burger.
Actually, mine was not raw at all. I'm just lying.
Yeah,
Let me
okay.
see.
Yeah, that is raw.
Are you gonna leave that?
I'm probably going to leave that.
That is a shame. I already had faith in that one.
So do I. It's raw, man. I spent so long cooking it. How could it be raw? What? No, it's hot, but I mean,
Yeah, it's warm.
it is completely raw.
No, it's good.
If it's freshly cooked and chopped, that's fine.
Fresh
But I don't know, but that is completely raw.
Yeah, you don't want to risk it, to be
I
fair.
ain't gonna risk that, baby. Okay.
There's meat from my burger, which is fine if you
Was
want.
there meat from your burger? I'll put meat from your burger into it.
That is poor.
That's like disappointing because everything else was really nice.
Despite that, how did it taste?
Tastes really good. Amazing good. But much of that yours. Now I'm just gonna eat bread. Anyway, there we go. What's your latest cake like?
It's my cake. It's really good. Cheesiness in it. It's got a really nice creamy cheesecake taste. It's not too cheesy at all, like most cheesecakes. Really good, actually. Good Biscoff taste. A lot of like bread with Biscoff crumbs on it. That is really good. It's one of the best cheesecakes. 500%.
Alright. Cheesecake good. It had good ratings.
It had
but
4.9, but maybe it was like 3 people rating it. You know? I'll check. Yeah, 4.7. It's only got 15 reviews, admittedly.
Right, but this is what they gave us for supper. Cheese sandwich, basically. So this is what you get if you turn up later in the evening. Man, alive. That's the worst. Have you seen this?
What?
This is the worst sandwich I've ever seen in my life. I mean, there's not even butter.
No butter?
There's no butter. It is literally a piece of bread with the thinnest piece of cheese you've seen in your life inside. There's no butter, no nothing. I'm not. I mean, you actually call it a sandwich. Let's try it. Not only is the cheese is so soft, the cheese is like butter. It's like just a thin layer of buttered cheese in a sandwich. That is not great. It's quite tasty though. In an awful way, it's still quite tasty. Okay, so we arrived so late that I didn't video the room the second we got into it. So I'm going to give you a little roundup of it now. I'm tired. Just a quick look through it. It's actually a really nice room. It's still a bit messy already from whatever we've been doing. Going out to get supper with the raw burger. But let me give you a quick look around. Okay, here we go. So, here's the room. Got this rather nice bed. Looks nice, doesn't it? All nice and white with all the stuff on it. Rafe crushed there. We haven't managed to unpack our stuff yet, although it's 1:45 in the morning. Got a nice TV up here. Over there, you've got a rather nice sofa, which I think is quite nice. I guess that turns into a sofa bed. And there is actually a rather nice balcony out here, which is going to be fun to chill out on. From there, we do look down into the hotel, into the pool. You can't really see it at night, but all these different things we look onto into the hotel. We'll see what it's like in the morning. So yeah, so just a quick little room vibe now, because in the morning you get a better vibe. And there are those skanky sandwiches they gave us on arrival. Cupboards. Oh, and the bathroom. Bathroom's actually quite decent. Got a nice bathroom. Nice. You got a shower there, and you got a nice shower here. So you got that. That's all done quite nicely, frankly. Cool. So that's not bad at all. That's not bad. Bathroom's nice. Okay. So the room is actually very decent. So it is, yeah, really nice room. I like it. It's fun. Now we need to try and get to bed. Oh, and as ever, water is, they give these little bottles you can fill outside from like a water, what do you call it? A water place in the corridor where you can fill them up. So, you know, I guess it may be environmental, blah, 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 but yeah, there's water.